everyone! Welcome back to My English Teacher. I'm Emily, and today we're going to talk about something that everyone needs: how to say sorry in English.
That's right. You might think, oh, that's easy, just say sorry. But is it really that simple?
Exactly. The truth is, saying sorry is not just about words. It's about tone, timing, and emotion. And if you get it wrong, even a small mistake can sound cold or fake.
I once said sorry to my boss after being late for a meeting. She looked at me and said, "Are you really sorry, or are you just saying it?" I didn't know what to answer.
Ouch. That happens a lot. Sometimes our English is correct, but our feeling doesn't come through. So today, let's learn how to apologize in English. Naturally, sincerely, and confidently.
And don't worry, we'll make it fun and real, just like how people talk in everyday life.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing family of English learners who learn with real stories and real feelings.
Okay, let's start with a simple moment. You spill coffee on your friend's book. The cafe is quiet. You freeze for a second. What do you say?
You can say, "Oh no, I'm so sorry." That's short, natural, and emotional. The key word here is so. It shows you feel bad.
Yes, and your tone matters. Try saying it softly. I'm so sorry, not I'm so sorry, unless you want to scare your friend.
We also use "I didn't mean to" when we want to show it was an accident. For example, "I'm sorry, I didn't mean to spill your coffee."
That's a good one. It sounds polite and shows you're taking responsibility.
Now, here's another common one: "my bad." It's casual and used with friends. You can say, "Oh, my bad," when you make a small mistake.
Right, but don't say my bad to your teacher or boss. That's too informal.
Exactly. Always match your tone with the person you're speaking to. That's how native speakers build trust, not by perfect grammar, but by emotional awareness.
Okay, let's take another situation. You're late for an appointment. What's a polite way to say sorry?
You can say, "I'm really sorry for being late," or "sorry I kept you waiting." Both are natural and kind.
Yes, and if you want to sound more formal, like at work, say, "Please accept my apologies for the delay."
That's perfect for emails or meetings. It's polite, soft, and professional.
You see, apologizing is like a bridge. It connects hearts after something goes wrong. The stronger your words, the faster that bridge is rebuilt.
I love that image. Words can heal. Even a small phrase like, "I'm sorry I hurt your feelings," can change a relationship.
Let's practice some short, useful phrases together. Repeat after me, everyone. Ready? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry for what I did. Please forgive me. It won't happen again.
Beautiful. Now, say them again, but this time, think of a real situation. Maybe you forgot a friend's birthday. Maybe you said something wrong. Feel it in your heart when you say it.
That's right. Language isn't just sound, it's emotion. When you mean it, people feel it, even if your English isn't perfect.
Here's a story from one of our students, Jesse. He once said, "I said sorry to my friend, but she didn't forgive me." We asked, "How did you say it?" And he said, "Sorry."
Just one word?
Yes, that's why she didn't believe it. Saying sorry is more than just saying the word. It's about taking time, showing you care, explaining what happened.
Exactly. A real apology has three parts: feeling, Reason and promise. 1. Express your feeling. I'm sorry. 2. Explain the reason. I was wrong to shout. 3. Promise to improve. I'll try to be calmer next time.
Perfect structure. You don't need to memorize it, just to remember the heart behind it.
Now let's make it more fun. Let's do a short role play.
Okay. I'll be the friend who's upset, and you're the one who has to apologize.
Got it.
Okay, Paul, you forgot my birthday again.
Oh no, Emily. I'm really sorry. I should have called. I had a long day, but that's no excuse. I'll make it up to you. Dinner on me tonight?
Okay, that's better. You're forgiven. See, that's a perfect example. He said sorry, explained, and offered to fix it. That's how you make your apology real.
Exactly. And if you're learning English, remember this. You don't need fancy words. You just need honesty and kindness.
Because every sorry is a chance to grow, not just in English, but as a human being.
All right. Before we continue to part 2, here's a quick practice for you.
Think about the last time you made a mistake. What would you say in English if you could go back and apologize?
Say it aloud now. Take your time. Feel the words. That's how you build emotional fluency.
All right, everyone, that's the end of page 1. Stay with us for page 2, where we'll learn how to say sorry in more complex situations, like at work, in relationships, and even when it's not your fault.
And remember, even if you learn just one phrase today, you're already improving, because progress in language and in life starts with small steps.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you took a deep breath, because now we're going deeper.
Yes, deeper into those moments when saying sorry feels hard. You know those times when you didn't mean to hurt someone, but somehow you did?
Or when you're not even sure if you should apologize, maybe it's not completely your fault.
Exactly. That's real life, and English can help you handle those moments with calm and grace. Let's start with something common, apologizing at work. You missed an email or forgot to reply to your colleague. What can you say?
You can say, "I'm sorry for the delay in my response," or "Apologies for the late reply." Both are polite and professional.
Right. You can also say, "Thank you for your patience." It's a gentle way to show respect instead of just focusing on the mistake.
I like that. Sometimes a good apology is not about the past, it's about showing understanding in the present.
Yes, because when you say thank you for waiting, you focus on kindness, not guilt. That's emotional intelligence.
Let's role play again. I'll be the colleague waiting for your reply.
Okay.
Hey, Emily, I sent you that file 3 days ago. Did you get a chance to look at it?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Paul. I saw your email but didn't have time to review it yet. Thank you for reminding me. I'll check it right after lunch.
Perfect. That's polite, honest, and clear. You didn't make excuses and you gave a solution.
That's how native speakers sound natural. They mix apology with action.
Let's give our listeners 3 golden sentences for work. 1. I'm sorry for the mistake. 2. I appreciate your understanding. 3. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
So good. Repeat them with us, everyone. I'm sorry for the mistake. I appreciate your understanding. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
Your turn. Nice. Okay, let's move to a more personal side, when emotions are involved.
Uh-oh, this is the tough one.
Yes, when someone's feelings are hurt, a simple sorry isn't enough. You have to show care.
You can say, I'm sorry if I made you feel that way, or I didn't realize my words hurt you. These sentences open the heart.
They're not about winning, they're about healing. And healing takes honesty.
Let's take another example. You argued with a close friend. After a few days, you want to make peace. What can you say?
You could say, "Hey, I've been thinking about our conversation. I'm sorry for what I said. You're important to me, and I don't want this to come between us."
That's beautiful. Honest, calm, and caring. You take responsibility and show love.
That's the power of real communication. It's not just grammar, it's courage.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to sound sincere. Even if your words are simple, your feelings make them powerful.
Exactly. It's not about perfect sentences, it's about a true heart.
Sometimes we even need to say sorry when it's not completely our fault.
That's right. In English culture, people often use soft apologies to keep harmony. For example, "I'm sorry about the confusion," or "sorry for the misunderstanding."
It doesn't mean you're guilty, it just shows empathy, that you care about the situation and want to move forward.
That's cultural intelligence. Learning English is also learning how people think and feel.
Here's another good phrase. I owe you an apology. It sounds mature and serious. You use it when something really hurts someone.
Yes, for example, "I owe you an apology for what I said yesterday." It shows you thought about it and you value the person.
All right, time for our vocabulary spotlight with Charlotte. Here are 7 useful words and phrases from today's lesson. 1. Apologize, to say sorry. 2. Forgive, to stop being angry at someone. 3. Misunderstanding, a situation when two people don't understand each other correctly. 4. Regret, a feeling of sadness about something you did. 5. Make it up to someone, to do something nice after hurting them.
Great list! These are all everyday expressions. Try to use at least one this week.
Yes, because when you use new words in your real life, your English becomes part of you.
Now, here's a little mindset tip. The 1% rule. You don't need to be perfect today, just improve 1% every day.
Exactly. And that includes emotional fluency, learning not just what to say, but how to feel while saying it.
Before we close, let's do one final emotional practice. Close your eyes if you can. Think of someone you want to say sorry to.
Now, say it quietly in English. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I hope we can start again.
Feel how light your heart becomes after saying it. That's the real power of language. Connection.
Yes, words can build walls, but they can also open doors. Every apology opens a door to peace.
That's so true. And to everyone listening, remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect to be beautiful. What matters is that it's real.
Because language is not about impressing people, it's about expressing yourself clearly, kindly, honestly.
So, let's wrap up with a quick recap. Here are the key phrases from today's lesson. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Please forgive me. Thank you for your patience. I'll make it up to you. I owe you an apology. Let's patch things up.
And one more phrase from me. Done is better than perfect. Keep practicing, even if your English isn't perfect yet. Every word you say builds your confidence.
Beautifully said.
And before you go, comment below what's one phrase from today's lesson you'll use this week.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because someone you know might need this message too.
From my English teacher, we wish you peace, confidence, and kindness in English and in life.
See you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and never stop saying what's in your heart.